Yeah, some of us thrive in systems, and like I said, because I had always been in a system, the school system, the football system, the masters, like you don't know that you're thriving because of the structures put in place until you're out of there. A fish doesn't know that it's able to move and do its thing because it's in water until it's on land. It's like, uh-oh, what's going on here? And so when I moved out to LA, and I just thought that I've been crushing it. It's like I have a master's degree, Division I athlete. I went to a Catholic school. Like, what can I do? And then I had some very early signs when I moved out here that things were going to move very quickly for me. So then my ego became, muy grande, and then it got really dark really quickly, and where all of a sudden, like, I'm not landing the auditions I thought I would. I'm losing money because I can't hold a job because I'm going on so many auditions. And then my relationships are faltering. I let my social relationships just dwindle because I'm about to be a star, and you're going to be calling me soon anyway, so don't worry about it. Um, and I found myself very lonely, very, very lonely, very broke. I was evicted. I had to live out my car for a few years, and but it part of what kept me going while I was living out my car and just trying to maintain some sense of dignity. Partly was the ego of, like, I'll figure out a way. The thing I shared with you when you asked me, like, what did I hold on to? What gave me hope? And I told him, algebra, physics, and that even though I sucked at it, at the math and sciences were not my strong suit. I always took the lesson away of we're always solving for X, right? We never know what X is. Even the best minds are constantly trying to solve for X. Right now, Andrew Huberman, neuroscientist, he's trying to solve for X. What's the unknown? What does this mean? Why is there a space here? And that X is always there, right? Whether it's how do we get to Mars? Elon Musk, one of the smartest, most brilliant people, he's trying to figure out how to make a rocket ship that's reusable. How do we make a rocket ship that not only goes to Mars, but then comes back and lands in one piece? So we're constantly solving for X. It always exists. And that was the thing that gave me hope, is the fact that I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen in the next 5 minutes or in the next 5 days or 5 years. And so in that unknowing, sometimes that can undo a person. Sometimes that can rattle you. That can create intense anxiety, the not knowing. But there's also hope in the not knowing, in the fact that anything could happen at any moment. And so when people talk about this quarantine is like, we're now in a time of uncertainty. Like, we've always been at a time of uncertainty. We just haven't always been as aware of how much is really out of our control.